Welcome to the Mobile Mechanic 757.
Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point, work on a customer's vehicle. They had me to change the starter twice per their request, saying it won't start. They wouldn't allow me to do the diagnosis. Well, if you have a battery, there's your sticker. This is a Walmart battery. It's not meant to last this long. This battery needs to be replaced. Please get a diagnosis. Please don't become a YouTube mechanic and just tell me what to do, because I'm going to do exactly what you asked me to do. And if you choose not to listen, you're going to have to pay whatever you're asking me to do. And if you are a mobile mechanic, I do sell the documents that actually will protect you from customer self-diagnosis to actually get paid. With that being said, you can go to my bio page, click on the link tree, click on the mobile must-have documents, and then you can see the policies and other documents that will protect you from stuff like this. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. And if you are on YouTube, hit that subscribe and like button. Thank you.